Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 4.2 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit paper 1, and this question deals with reading data from a bar chart, as well as interpreting this data. So it says, graph shown below shows the plastic surgery procedures per 1,000 people in 2013. So it shows that, and then it states that South Americans are most likely to have plastic surgery. And you can see Venezuela's at the top with 7.6 people out of 1,000. So that's per 1,000. That's the scale we're using. And for example, Brazil is 7.4 per 1,000, and so on. It then says in 4.2.1a, state the number of plastic surgeries procedures per 1,000 for people conducted in Iran. So Iran is over here, and you can see that it's 1.5. So for question 4.2.1a, the answer is 1,5 people per 1,000. So again, we read that off the bar chart. So it's 1,5 people and it's per 1,000. It's asking in B, how many more per 1,000 people had plastic surgery in Italy as compared to Argentina? So we have here Argentina and Italy over here, and we need to find the difference. So it will be, you can see that we can read off 3.1 here for Italy and 2.9 here for Argentina. So 4.2.1, number B, is going to be the 3.1 minus the 2.9. So as I said, because it's asking how many more people in Italy compared to Argentina, and if we put this into our calculators, it comes to 0,2 per 1,000 people. So it's 0,2 is the answer that they are looking for. And then on to 4.2.2, question A. Give the maximum number of plastic surgeries per 1,000 people that were conducted. So if we look at this bar chart, they're asking us for the maximum, and we can see that the maximum here is 7.6 from Venezuela, and it's the tallest tallest bar on the graph. So the answer is 7.6 per 1,000 people. And then on to B, it says there were 2,500 people surveyed in Mexico. So how many of those people, according to the data, had plastic surgery? So you can find Mexico on this graph, and it says that it's 4 in every 1,000 people have a plastic surgery. So for B, we know that it's 4 out of 1,000 have plastic surgery. So if we want to now find how many people out of 2,500, so 4 out of 1,000 is going to give us a percentage, or it's going to give us the decimal out of 1 that have surgery. So then we multiply that number by 2,500, and if we put that into our calculator, this comes to 10 people. Okay, and another way of doing this, if this way is a little bit confusing, we can say, or if there are if the survey conducting 1,000 people and we need to get to 2,500, you can see that it is 2.5 times more people that they survey. So then therefore the number would be 4, because there's 4 out of 1,000 would then need to go. So you can multiply it by 2.5 as well, and 4 times by 2.5 is also 10. So that's just another way of thinking about it. Gives us the same answer, but a different way of calculating it. And that concludes this statistics question. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our Epic sponsor for making these videos possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.